Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dhaba-style fried rice. We will begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including day-old rice, a variety of colorful vegetables, and a selection of aromatic spices. It is crucial to have everything prepped and ready before you start cooking. Make sure your vegetables are uniformly chopped, and your wok or pan is prepared for the high heat required for this delicious dish. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now, let's get to the heart of the cooking process. First, heat your cooking oil to a high temperature, ideally around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, in your wok or pan. This high heat is essential for achieving that perfect dhaba-style sear. Next, add your finely chopped aromatics like garlic and ginger and sauté them for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance. Then, quickly incorporate your prepared vegetables, stir-frying them until they are crisp tender, retaining a slight bite. This is where the magic truly happens as we bring all the elements together. Gently add your day-old rice to the wok, ensuring you break up any clumps so it can mix evenly with the other ingredients. Next, pour in your chosen sauces, such as a generous splash of soy sauce and a hint of chili sauce for that authentic dhaba flavor. Toss everything together vigorously, ensuring every grain of rice and every piece of vegetable is thoroughly coated with the delicious seasonings. This step is key for a well-balanced taste. To complete our dhaba-style fried rice, we add a few finishing touches. Stir in a dash of vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lime juice right at the end. This adds a bright, tangy note that elevates the entire dish. Finally, garnish your beautifully cooked fried rice with some freshly chopped cilantro or vibrant spring onions. Serve your piping hot, flavorful dhaba-style fried rice immediately to enjoy its best taste and texture. It is a truly satisfying meal that is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.